What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I want to talk about, is it too late to start your YouTube channel in 2020? So as a small YouTube channel, I just started my channel about 6 months ago. I want to give you my perspective on if you should even start your YouTube channel and why. So if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and basically my channel is all about making money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I teach people how to make money with using a passive income system. But I also teach people how to grow their YouTube channels especially as a small channel, okay? So anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, so I have a few questions I want to answer throughout this video. Obviously, the main one is it even too late to start and create a channel? So I have a few stats that I think you're going to like here. So I found this article here by Overlow. So 1.9 billion people are actively using YouTube, and this number is literally going up exponentially. So, I mean, this is probably going to hit like 3 billion very soon. So that's really cool to know, because more people are using YouTube to, for search, okay? Like how-to videos, they're using it for basically entertainment. And this is very powerful because now you know that there's going to be a lot of demand for these videos on YouTube. So we know that the demand is going up for YouTube. Okay, so that's really good to know. All right. So number 2 here is that 79% of internet users have a YouTube account. So very, very powerful. Okay, so that, like almost 80% of people have a YouTube account. Okay, I mean, this is billions of people we're talking about using the internet. Okay, so very powerful here. Let me pull up a couple more stats here. So about 1 billion hours of videos are viewed on YouTube. So this is incredible, guys. Like a billion hours, like I don't think you could even like fathom how many hours that is. That's a lot of time on YouTube, okay? Let me pull up another stat here. 62% of businesses are using YouTube to create content and to drive traffic to their businesses. You got to understand, in 2020, people are able to build that video connection with you using YouTube, and it's a lot easier to sell your products, whether it's affiliate marketing or your own products in general, okay? So let me show you something here that you're gonna like, okay? So this is a supply and demand chart here, okay? Where the blue line is the people viewing the videos, and then the red line is like the demand for that type of category, okay? So as we can see here in the entertainment niche here, that a lot of people are watching these videos, and the red line basically means how many videos are, being supplied for that category. So obviously there's a big demand for entertainment videos, right? Same thing for music. There's actually more supply than demand. So this one probably you wouldn't want to get into. But what I do is I do the how-to niche, right? How to make money online, how to create a passive income. So for me, you can see here that the supply is way under the demand, so that's really good. And look at this chart here and see what is my niche and what should I get into moving into 2020 and moving forward. Obviously, you want to create a channel that you're passionate about, but you can also look at this here and see, where's the demand? Like, where should I even create a channel that I'm interested in? So this is a article here by I think it was Twinword. And you can see here that, where should you even create a channel, right? So this is really good to know. All right, so let me go back to my questions here. So is it hard to grow a channel with the new algorithm changes? Well, yes and no. Okay, so, back in obviously 2015, 2010, when YouTube was just barely launching, it was a lot easier to grow, yes. But here's the thing. So the algorithm has changed a lot, yes. But the cool thing is I got into YouTube when that algorithm completely changed. So, when I started growing my YouTube channel, I knew how the new algorithm worked. Okay, so let me show you some stats just on my channel here. So basically, I've done a lot of videos on like how to rank your videos, how to get YouTube to show your videos to other people, to recommend them. And it's basically, basically 3 main things, okay? You got to get YouTube to show your videos on search, and then once they're found in search, and people like your videos, they engage with it, they watch the videos, YouTube starts recommending it, okay? And I go into depth on this subject. I have like 5 videos where I go like deep into how to get your videos ranked, and I'll link that in the description below. But it's basically this playlist here, and I show you how to like find low competition keywords. I show you how to rank for the YouTube algorithm for a small channel. All these videos here are going to help you learn how to do that. Okay, so I'm not going to go too much into that, but what I'm showing you is obviously I started in May, right? So I started my channel in May, and you can see that I've grown, okay? Because I know how the algorithm works. So if you can know how the algorithm works, you can like literally blow your channel up, in 2020, but you have to know how it works. And obviously you have to stay consistent as well, right? You can see here that, I started slow, and then eventually, my channel started growing and growing. So obviously my channel is not huge yet, but you can see I'm still growing as a small YouTube channel, right? So you can understand that like anyone can start a channel in 2020 and do the same thing as long as they're consistent, right? So I just want to let you guys know that. Another thing here is, how do I stand out, completely from, as a new channel, right? So how do I even like stand out? There's so many videos, there's so many new channels popping up. So this was the same question I had when I first started, and I was a little discouraged. I was like, well, how do I even like get my videos shown and seen and recommended by YouTube? Same thing, guys. It's all about the algorithm and ranking for keywords that other people aren't ranking for, like low competition keywords, and that's literally all it is. Okay, so using like tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and those are all linked in the description. And those are the tools I use to rank my YouTube videos. I make sure that I get a keyword that not a lot of people are using, and that I can get like number 1, 2, spots in YouTube, and people are gonna click on my videos. Okay, and I go over it, like I said, I go over that all on my playlist here on like ranking my YouTube videos as a small YouTube channel. Okay, so all these videos here are going to teach you how I do that. All right, so that is basically how you would do that. Okay, and then number 4 is YouTube dying? Obviously I showed you it's definitely not dying. It is growing rapidly, and like 80% of the internet is now video content, and people are connecting with businesses a lot better with video, right? So I can sell a lot of my products because what happens is people are building that connection with me. I'm able to build my brand, and people are know, like, and trust me, so I can sell whatever I want. As long, obviously I only sell something that I recommend and that I would only buy. But what I'm saying is you can build that connection, you can build that trust using YouTube. So YouTube is extremely, extremely powerful, and I love YouTube so much because I've been able to grow my business in just the last 6 months. Okay, so yeah, definitely not dying. Yeah, you definitely need to create a channel in 2020, okay? And last thing here is, so what's the best way to make money with YouTube? And do I need to be YouTube monetized, or do I need to be a YouTube partner to make money? So as you know, I actually just created I just became YouTube monetized like a week ago, literally a week ago today. So I actually made a video about that on, when I became YouTube monetized. And it was all about, like, it literally took me 6 months to get YouTube monetized, okay? And I just followed the strategy that I teach on my YouTube on how to rank, on how to get my videos recommended, stuff like that. So if you want to check that video out, it's this one here. It's finally monetized. I take you through my, it was basically my 6th, 7th month journey, and I show you how I got monetized with YouTube, okay? So check this video out. I'll link that in the description below as well, okay? So anyways, definitely not late, guys. I mean, you can make a lot of money with YouTube. There's a ton of different ways. There's, getting YouTube monetized, which is cool, but that's not the best way. I think the best way to make money online is either selling your own product or doing affiliate marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing is amazing because you can sell other people's products that you recommend, and it's cool because you don't have to worry about the customer service. You don't have to worry about creating a product. You can literally start making money before you even get monetized. And that's what I teach on my channel is you don't need to be monetized to make money on YouTube. Most people, they want to get monetized, right? Like, and that's their main goal, but you don't make that much money with being monetized. So I want to let you guys know that. So like, yes, it's cool. It's like a tip jar, right? So like, it's like you have your main business and YouTube monetized is like your tip jar, right? So my recommendations for making money online is actually affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn affiliate marketing, it's actually going to be the first link in the description below. And basically we teach you how to start your affiliate marketing business from beginning to end, okay? And that's the best way to make money online, guys, especially starting out. You don't have a product, you don't want to create a product, you have a small following, and you can make, a lot of money just like with 100 subscribers. Like I was making money when I barely 100 subscribers, even less than that. So you don't need a big following to make money with affiliate marketing. It's just all about creating that connection with your audience. So anyways, guys, I hope you found value in this video. And if you have any questions on starting a YouTube channel, just let me know. Like, reach out to me. Like I said, I'm still a small channel, but you can see I'm growing, guys. I'm growing very quickly. I'm looking, 2020, I'm looking to really blow up my channel. I'm looking to hit that 50K, 100K, YouTube subscribers. I know I'm going to do it because I know how the algorithm works. I know how YouTube recommends videos. So I know I could get there. It's all about being consistent, though. That's the biggest thing with YouTube, is you have to stay consistent. All right. So like I said, let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe to this channel. If you found value in this video, like, comment, all that good stuff, guys. It helps me grow on YouTube. So I'd really appreciate that. And like I said, if you are interested in the #1 way to make money online, it's going to be the first link in the description below. And I'll talk to you guys soon.